How was your day, Jenica? Did you have a good day? Are you amazed by the camera? Yeah? Yeah? You want to tell us some things, Jenica? You want to tell us about what it's like to be 3 months old? Yeah. That's pretty interesting. That's a cool sound effect you have there. Yeah. Are you gonna learn to roll over pretty soon here? Are you working on that, Jenica? Who put your pants on, Jenica?